What up, my dogs? Welcome to my club. You know where all my people hang. That's how we do. Everything, I think. I'm not really sure. Actually, what does it feel back? You know, I know that this counts for 3 days, and I'm only assuming because it has 3 on it. So I'm not sure. This is my first Kawaii con. Let's go check it out. 2018, and you have the artist alley over here. Artists and their creations.
Long time since we last dueled.
Yes, it's been what, a whole week?
Longer than that. Shoot, brah.
No, I'm pretty
No, I'm not. I am not going to call it that.
You should try being more open to new ideas, Seto.
Try being more open to shutting up, Mokuba.
I gotta admit, Kaiba, this is probably my favorite duel we've ever had.
No, this is the worst one. I knew something was up with this dual technology when it said Aloha Edition on it. Every time a mainlander adds Aloha to their product, it is always terrible.
Yeah, well, I'm loving it.
Yugi, why would you even be enjoying this? I'm going to defeat you.
Yeah, but I can't really be upset about it. Not when your monster has such an adorable little face. This is so obvious, Con.
Con, sir.
That's right, Croquet. You might even call it a Kawaii Con. Oh, I stopped counting around a dozen. Aloha!
To the stage, Leah Rose and Family Bimby!
You're so much more cuter than all the pictures we just saw.
That's 21.
Love you too! Oh my god, she's even cuter in person. I'm very small in person.
Like your hair makes up.
Thank you. I tried very, something about Mary? I took some tips.
I think they might be a little too young for that. Okay, so we're really awkward.
With all your fingers pressed tightly together. Now spread your index finger from your middle finger like this. Then pull it back to the middle and spread your ring finger and your pinky out the other way. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1. Those monsters. Dare they do this to my grandpa?
I'll make them pay for hurting you!
Beneath that strong disguise, every day we see each other and I hope that you'll be mine. Together our love could be so true. Please, will you be my Valentine? Whoa, now that's a love poem. Who could he be talking about? Hair as dark as night? You called me? Wait, what do you mean for?
Wait, that pig, he's talking to us, guys.
That's right, I'm a talking pig. Man, what a bunch of hillbillies.
Wait. You intend to go looking like that? You'll just end up embarrassing him. If you must speak to him, then wait until the princess is gone. I'm borrowing this.
The last time I saw you, you said we would, quote, finish this
something. Well, aren't you the cause? They can't be explained, and murders of a witch's curse is most likely the cause of such thing. Actually, you are both in a lot of danger. If a human ever wanders into one, they seldom make it out.
Oh, there's stuff. Okay. Oh, can I throw this stuff? Oh, here. Yay! This is so
She's got her hand.
Wait, let me throw those. Who wants some Wafu stuff? I want Wafu stuff. We have many, many things. Look, I have. How are you guys? Animated events, autographs at 2:45 to 5:15 tomorrow, Sunday. On Sunday, we have Ask an Anime Character. All three of us are going to be there. Yes! Woo! Autographs. And then we have autographs after that. Me and Christina, I think. Yes, yes.
Did you say you're doing stand-up?
No, me and Christina.
I was like, wow. Oh, me, hi! All right, I can't draw, but that's gonna be awesome.
I'll be with her there too.
Stop by, please.
I always thought they designed these things so that you couldn't get the prizes. Kinda depends on the prize. Some of these are so
A servant whom you didn't call and barely know.
Yeah, but we shook hands earlier.
I'm here to fight for you. Nothing says we have to be friends, but whatever. Something you don't know, huh? Obvious stuff like what's up with my ink, or something else just as boring. You're not really interested.
Hey, how are you guys? Hi. We've got like really heavy things to throw. So, everybody just like guard your heads if you don't want to get concussed.
New word of 28.
I'm not gonna hold back. You bet, Jaden. This is going to be super. Oh, they have got to be.
Super Saiyan. What is that? What even is that? I'll tell you what it is. It's just some stupid legend passed by your filthy monkey ancestors around a campfire like it was their own dung. Let me tell you, Vegeta, I don't deal in legends. I deal in facts.
Oh, my heart. Don't do that to me.
It's annoying. Knock it off.
What do you mean?
Every time you make us curry, you give some.
I'm Mia, and I really need your help to find Toffee. He likes to let his ears flap in the wind, but you probably don't. So here's a helmet.
Hey, Sayaka. Cut it out.
I'm so excited they showed the clip of me as a giant purple rabbit. Nobody ever talks about that. I always thought of the Christmas as well. That was really cool.
I'm excited because it showed my karate chopping CD action.
That was impressive.
Yes, that is my #1 action figure trait, I think.
Do you have a panel this weekend about how to karate chop a CD?
No, but I do have a panel where...
Listen up, humans, and listen good. This.
You've done all you can!
Not even. I can't let these monsters see me yet.
What's wrong with you?
I can't go on like this! I have to go back and make sure. That was a hefty meal. You're not doing too bad, but I'm about to cook you like a smoked fish. Tonto! It's time to start our training. Start with the things every soldier should know.
Yes, sir.
I only want you to salute.
Mommy, your strange wish memories are confusing.
How about the nice massage?
Please, stop touching me.
Oh, that's good. So there's
time to do before. I understand it real well. You want to beat me to make me look small. So that land of the living, Dark Flame Master.
What? Who the heck are you?
One
It was July 19th. I entered the restaurant excited that summer break was beginning the next day. I intended to order myself a nice big meal to celebrate the start of the If you're done telling me what to do, maybe we can work together now. A long time ago, Victor promised he'd choreograph a program for me. Promise you a tour?
Sweetest thing that I'm gonna hear all week besides "Here's your pineapple soft serve, sir," is "Welcome to Kawaii Con," and I'm so glad. I love you. Now, have you got Micah? You guys know he's of your land.
Is it working? Yeah.
Is it your first time at Kawaii Con? Hi.
Kind of. A little bit like a star. And then like his face. Star, you said. Yeah, and he's got like the face, and it's like, Since they're Balasadas? Oh my god. What is this? Pigtail. Wait, what? Oh my god, you gave her the pigtails, like literal pigtails? Not like hair pigtails?
Well, like I said, I completely misunderstood.
Not for creativity. I love you just rope feet. Feet, you just rope. You gave her the skateboard feet. It's around her ankle, not her feet. No, that's way better. Wait, and then the glowing eyes are kind of cool. Yeah, I do like that. What's this? She legit looks awesome. Button? Button. You
I didn't know what to draw.
So you couldn't draw a button?
So I spelled all of it.
Okay. Wait, what's this?
It's a dragon.
Oh, it's so. Oh, I wanted to scale. You gave me credit. Yeah, yours is way too big. Well, I already drew it, and then you said it fit on her shoulder. I like the cold shoulders. Like really, shoulders are better. Oh, because the ice dragon. Okay, got it. Ice dragon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Plus 10 for that. Yes. I feel like your dragon is the closest in the scale.
They can't see my
because that's bird dragon. How big it should be. Oh, look at that. That's scale. Oh, sorry. I can't see what you guys. What? Oh my god, you gave him ice skate. He's an ice dragon. I did. I made him an ice dragon. Okay. I'm gonna grade him like smiley face for that. Wait, what is going on with her chest? You see that, yo? Like what? Well, you said boobs, and then you said it connected to the boobs. What connected to the boobs? Well, the thing that she was wearing connected to the head of the boob. But like I already drew the thing, so it had.
So as you saw the clips, I went to KawaiiCon 2018. It was a new experience. A, seeing cosplayers in real life. B, being surrounded by anime people. And C, being in an experience in an environment I've never been in. To say to some sort of way, I have never really... It was my first convention that wasn't school related. I think for me, it was a little bit awkward the first day because it was a whole new environment for me. And not gonna lie, I had a lot of anxiety and a whole bunch of worries that went through my mind, but it was a good. By the way, if my voice sounds just a little bit more off than it normally does, I got sick after KawaiiCon. I think it was just because of so much going on in my body, just could not handle it, so that's probably why my voice sounds just a little bit off. So there isn't a lot of film, and I'm so sorry about that. It was my first KawaiiCon. I wanted to enjoy it. I wasn't really thinking of vlogging it, but then I was like, nah, let's have them join our journey. So the clips are all really random, but yeah. Oh
yeah, I hope you guys still enjoy from what I have. It was so much fun. I enjoyed every aspect, every moment, every second, every hour of it. It is very tiring. Second floor had panels, and if you saw in the video, you saw one panel. I think it was like how to draw with a voice actor, and that was really cool. So voice actors chose their most popular character and drew them, and it's hilarious.